Hi, welcome to Design Pattern tutorial. Today we will be discussing what is design pattern. Then we will also continue with the discussing what is Gang of Four design pattern. Then we will discuss different types of design patterns in C#. So now let us understand what is design pattern. So in general word, a pattern is a recurring solution to a problem. So design patterns are a reusable components, or you can say that these are the reusable solutions to a common software design problems that occur repeatedly in real world applications or in the software development process. So these are very powerful tools for a software development process and for our software developers. Selecting a particular design pattern and the usage of that particular software design pattern widely depends on individual needs and the software design problem which developer needs to address. There are majorly few steps in implementing design patterns. First step is to identify a particular software design problem which needs to be addressed by a software developer or the application developer. Then you have to identify a particular design pattern among the current 23 design patterns. Then determine the best suited design pattern to solve this particular problem. Now let's understand what is Gang of Four design pattern. It is considered that Gang of Four design patterns are the basic fundamentals of the design patterns. So Gang of Four are the authors of the particular famous book among design patterns called Design Patterns. Design Patterns Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Softwares. So these are the famous four authors who wrote this book are Eric Grama, Richard Helm, Ralph Johnson, and John Lisi Wrights. So this particular book talks about majorly 23 design patterns, and these are majorly categorized into three design patterns. So one first one is the creational design patterns, structural design patterns, then the last one is the behavioral design pattern. So let's understand what is creational design patterns and the design patterns which fall under this category. Creational design patterns provides a ways of creating a single object or group of related objects. So these patterns ideally deals with the process of object creation in a such a way that they are separated from the implementation. So we'll discuss in the upcoming videos what is the creational design patterns and the different ways of design patterns. Single design pattern, factory design pattern, abstract design, factory design pattern, builder design pattern, and the prototype design patterns are the design patterns which are categorized under creational design patterns. So now let's understand what is structural design pattern. So structural design pattern ideally deals with the class structure such as inheritance and its composition. In an ideal scenario, structural design patterns provide a manner to define relationship between the classes or its objects. So there are majorly 7 design patterns, and these are the adapter design pattern, bridge design pattern, composite design pattern, decorator design pattern, facade design pattern, flyweight design pattern, and the last one is proxy design pattern. Now let's understand what is behavioral design pattern. In ideal scenario, behavioral design patterns focuses on the interaction between the cooperating two objects. These interactions between the cooperating object should maintain the loose coupling between the objects as possible. So there are 11 design patterns which fall under this category. So first one is interpreter, iterator, mediator, memento, observer, state, strategy, template method, visitor. There are a couple of other design patterns which I have not listed in this presentation. So these are chain of responsibility and command design patterns. So that's all as part of this video. We will discuss more about each design pattern with the example and how to implement in C# in upcoming videos. Thank you.